The Simplified Trader impressed me with his last smart money concept strategy. I tested it 100 trades and it gained about 50% on the account and the max drawdown was only 4%. So when he dropped a new strategy, the 9:30 a.m. model, and his thumbnail implied a 71% win rate, I just had to backtest it. And stay with me because the results are not what the thumbnail suggests.
Not even close, bud.
But the RR simulator reveals the real reason. I'm also putting it against FTMO style rules. 2 phases, 15% total target, and a 10% max drawdown. This model tries to use the first 5-minute candle after the open as the key range. That's all you need for this video because this is about the claim versus the reality. This is not a strategy video. Here are my results from January 2nd, 2025 to July 2nd, 2025. A 100 trade backtest. As traded at 2R, the win rate was 34%, and that is nowhere near a 71% win rate.
You tricked me.
The profit factor was 1.03, net profit was only about $100. The average drawdown was around 9.5%. Now, the data that I'm showing is with a 0.5% risk, but I'll also show the analytics for the 1% risk model as well, which was able to pass the first step of the challenge, but failed the second step by hitting the max drawdown, and risking a 0.5% passed neither phase, but it also didn't fail. One thing that I noticed over and over again is price would often react and give a clean at least 1-to-1. Sometimes it would almost hit take profit, but then it would turn around and hit the stop loss. So it kind of teases you and it feels like it works, but it doesn't deliver consistently at 2R. And to be fair, the original explanation that he gave didn't fully specify key rules like, do we avoid news days? What's the cutoff time to look for a trade? Do we only trade first break direction? Do we exit end of day? Those details can actually change the performance, but that's also why the win rate thumbnails are dangerous. If the rules are not explicit, it's easy to tweak the test until you get a win rate that you like. Now, here's the part that completely changes the story. FXReplay's RR simulator says the best performing target for the system was not 2R, it was 1R. At 1R, win rate jumps to 59%, total profit jumps to about $1,800, which is about 18%, which would have passed our challenge. Profit factor improves to 1.44 and the average drawdown drops to 2.7%. So the real takeaway is this. The concept isn't necessarily trash, the exit target is what's killing it. So when someone shows a crazy win rate like 71%, it might not even be the same strategy you think it is. If they're taking partials, using a different RR, cutting trades early, or adding filters they didn't explain, that win rate becomes marketing, not a mechanical system. And in my test, the worst day was Tuesday. It had only about a 24% win rate. That screams, I need a filter. But again, that filter was not provided. So the verdict. As traded at 2R, this is not a 71% win rate strategy. It came in at 34% with a profit factor of 1.03, which is essentially break even. But the RR simulator shows something important. At 1R, performance improves dramatically. So if you want to follow up, comment 1R version and I'll rerun the prop firm test using the 1R model and see if it can actually pass phases clean. And if you want the simplified trader strategy that already proved itself, go watch my 100 trade backtest of his smart money concept strategy. I'll put it on screen now.